What it do, Fufu? I decided to do. I seen Levine Living. They did a pantry challenge, a dollar store pantry challenge, and I decided to try it out myself. Our pantry looks a mess, and with the Feast of Unleavened Bread coming up, I decided that I was going to be cleaning out the pantry anyway, so that challenge came right on time. So here is the pantry. Crap all on the floor.
Okay.
Some of the things I've pulled out already. And here's some of the stuff that I've pulled out already. A bunch of extra unnecessary things. Those boxes down there from Sam's. Hella canned goods that I don't even use. So we about to get this together. I went and bought a few. Jackson, Jackson, go get your table. Go get your table so you can eat your nuts and raisins. I bought a few of these. Got one over here. I ain't got it in here. Got these big containers, and I got some shorter ones too. So only got 3 of each, just because I didn't know how to start. Oh, excuse me. And I also got these containers here. So I didn't know how I wanted to do this, and I still don't know, but we're gonna see what it do. And here's my little helper.
I'm strong.
You are strong.
I got moved in.
Yes, please. Oh, it's so rough. Pull your pants up, brother.
I'm trying.
You trying?
Mhm.
All right.
Let's go.
You want your nuts and raisins?
Yes. Please.
All righty. Let me get a couple on. You're welcome.
On the way to go.
No, it's raisins in there.
Huh?
Ha. Thank you, Dolly. By the Bari, I can admit I likes the party. I spent the grip, I swipes the cardi. When I ice, I'ma drip my pricey garmy. I'm the swami, I feel hip cat. I'm freaky fit that I can rip that. Ice on the wrist like ice a fish jet. When I like with a bitch that spicy, get that.
I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. You a badass bitch. If don't get swallowed in that fat ass bitch. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. You a badass bitch. If don't get swallowed in that fat ass bitch. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do.
Hey, yo, P. Do that freaky jam on the beat. Busy with that butter shit, that bone beat. Did you double do that song sing? Flicky with some butter, so that phone thing. If you cheeky cheddar, check, I get her own cheese. It's a chicken with that head, or it's a bitch that won't be with the official with that whole steez. Let me see each other, wish that with that long.
I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do.
Alright, so here is the finished product of the pantry. It's looking so much better now. So for starters, when you walk in to the left, we have our cereals. So we have our grits, oatmeal, Frosted Flakes, Cheerios, and Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And then over here we have, I got these containers from the dollar store. Then these containers right here, these white containers, I got these from the dollar store as well, or trays rather. We have our oatmeals here for me and Ray, and then these are Jackson's oatmeals right here. They're gluten free. Over here we have our granola bars that Ray likes. Then moving right on over, we have our drink section. So this is the area I pull from to make our smoothies. So I have my chia seeds, flax seeds, and then behind there I have some extra And these containers are just mason jars that I put my smoothies in. I just had a few extras, so I used them. We have our teas right here. We have a green tea, black tea, and then a couple extra, as well as a stevia's right here in the middle. And then in the back there, I have my women's wellness tea, which is great. It gives me good energy as well. And then here I have my seeds, nuts, and raisins. So I have pumpkin seeds, pistachios, which Jackson loves, craisins, pecans that we all love, and almonds, chocolate covered almonds. I buy these from Sam's Club, and I swear you can't just have one. And then behind there I have a couple extra miscellaneous things. Next shelf, I have my gums and some candy suckers for Jackson, which I have to keep hidden from both Ray and Jackson, because now that it's out in the open, Ray feels like he should give Jackson candy. Yesterday he had 2 pieces of candy, and I'm really not with that. Then next we have our Mrs. Butterworth, which belongs on this shelf up here, but it just won't fit. It's not tall enough. And then a couple extra cookies for Jackson. Fruit cups for Jackson. This is like my preservatives section or canned goods section here. Have Jackson's fruit cups. Some marshmallow fluff. My grandmother asked me to make some Rice Krispie treats for her, and I don't eat gelatin, so marshmallow fluff it is. Then we have some canned goods here. Jalapenos. This chipotle peppers and adobo sauce is really good on chicken. Like if you want to make you some chipotle chicken, soak it in this for like overnight. It's bomb.com. Spinach, green beans, black beans, garbanzo beans, and some gluten-free soups for Jackson that I got from I think Whole Foods. On the next shelf we have our like condiments and stuff. This just won't fit anywhere else, so I have my vanilla extract, hot sauce back there, olives, my stuff for salads here, my olives, my salad dressing. Ray loves Sweet Baby Ray's, and with the summer coming up, I know he's looking forward to using that on all his meat from the grill. I got my peanut butter, honey, some organic honey, agave nectar, some syrup for Jackson, and then here in my larger mason jars I have my beans and grains. So these are Great Northern beans, these are my quinoa, and my lentils. Next shelf up I have my baking goods. I found some paleo pancake and waffle mix for Jackson. I got my baking soda. These are some more gluten-free mixes for Jackson that I got from Aldi. These are from Aldi. This one was from, I believe, Whole Foods. And these are 2 more. This one is like an all-purpose flour, a gluten-free all-purpose flour, but it does have rice flour in it, so I don't really like using that anymore. And then I have this paleo baking flour that I haven't started using yet, but I'm looking forward to trying that out for Jackson. I used to usually make his waffles and pancakes with that. We got some baking powder, cornmeal, and then in these 2 containers, this container I found when I cleaned this space out. It was given to us, and I didn't even know we had it. So I found this, and I put some stuff that Jackson don't need to see in there, like his chips, and I put that in both of these containers. This container I got from my granddad once he passed. It's one of the things I took from his house. Me and all my cousins know it very well. He used to keep his Oreos in here, and my cousins on the other side of the family down the block, they used to call him the Cookie Man. They used to love going to his house eating cookies. I would love to repaint this and just kind of restore it, refreshen it, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. And now for the miscellaneous. There's a bunch of miscellaneous stuff up there. We got some Similac for Parker. We didn't buy it. It was sent to us for free, and we don't use it, so we put it up there. I have my extra water bottle up there. Some little tree thing for bottles, Parker's bottles and stuff. Some extra knives my grandmother gave me. Some extra pans. Over here I have my crock pot that I don't use very much. I have my George Foreman grill, which I also don't use much. Another big water jug, my lunch bags. And then here I have my paper goods. So I get paper plates, cups, bowls, napkins, gloves, and I also have my waffle iron and juicer. That's a real old juicer. I think that's like the original Mr. Juicer. And then down here I just have my extra foods and stuff that didn't make it into the bins. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with this popcorn, if I want to put it in something, because I'm not feeling how it's looking. And then I have my oils and vinegars here. And then down at the bottom I have bags and my drinks. Bags and drinks. Well, those eggs are raised. But the waters are raised too. And here I have my bags. When we've had a baby and a birthday party for Jackson, so people give us gifts and bags and save the bags, and we reuse them. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh nope, we got a deep fryer, y'all. We actually have 2 of them, and I didn't even know. That's what happened. That's what I learned once I cleaned this space out. So yeah, that is my pantry makeover. I'm loving it. Hopefully we can keep it like this, but we shall see. It's so cute.